Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, today we have Mdcat Biopractice MCQs and we will talk about the topic of biomolecules. So let's talk about it. There are some specific MCQs. The first one is the ATP is more closely related to. It's a past paper MCQ and it has been given in several competitive tests. ATP is more closely related to DNA, RNA, hexose, and pyrimidine. So the right answer is the RNA because ATP and RNA both possess the pentose sugar and that pentose sugar is ribose. Next we have which of the following is only formed at the time of need. There are four options: mRNA, rRNA, transfer RNA, and snRNA. It means single stranded or the small nucleotide strands of RNA. So the right answer is the messenger RNA. It is formed when the genes are active and it is formed through the process of transpiration. Next, RNA is formed through central dogma, transcription, translocation, or aerobic respiration. So central dogma is the word which comprise both these terms, transcription and as well translation. Here we have mentioned the word of transcription. So RNA is formed through the transcription, not through the complete process central dogma. Right answer is the beta, transcription. Which one act as a label? mRNA, rRNA, tRNA and srRNA. So the right answer is the transfer RNA. It's act as a label which carry the amino acids under the code of messenger RNA. In the last we have a very conceptual MCQ. We have 1500 amino acids and they are sequenced by a dash number of nucleotides found on messenger RNA. So keep it in your mind, each amino acid is required the combination of 3 nucleotides. So the hint behind of this MCQ, we have to multiply this 1500 towards to the 3 and we will get the answer about the 4500. So the right answer is the delta.